Save yourself from bad habits, my dear brothers and sisters. Today's reminder is very important, because it affects every single one of us. Bad habits. Some of them are small. Some of them we hide. And some of them we've become so used to, we don't even realize they are harming our deen. But let me ask you one question. What if the habit you think is normal is actually distancing you from Allah? Understanding the danger in Islam. Sins don't just stay as actions. They leave marks on the heart. The more we repeat a bad habit, the harder our hearts become. And slowly, we stop feeling guilty. We stop making sincere tawbah. And that is the most dangerous stage. Why do we fall into bad habits? Let's be honest. Bad habits don't come from nowhere. They usually come from bad company, too much free time, lack of remembrance of Allah, and sometimes loneliness. Shaytaan doesn't push you into big sins immediately. He starts small, step by step, until you feel trapped. Common bad habits. To avoid some common bad habits we should be careful about: wasting hours on the phone, watching haram content, backbiting and gossip, missing salah or delaying it, using bad language. These may seem small, but small sins, when repeated, become big in the sight of Allah. Imagine this. If Allah takes your soul while you are in that habit, what will you answer? What will your last action be? Because the Prophet said, a person will be resurrected upon what they died upon. This is not to scare you, but to wake you up. Now the question is, how do we stop? Here are powerful steps. Make sincere tawbah. Turn back to Allah with a sincere heart. Cry if you can. Allah loves those who return. Replace the habit. Don't just stop a bad habit. Replace it with a good one. Instead of wasting time, read Qur'an. Instead of scrolling, make dhikr. Fix your environment. Stay away from people or things that trigger that habit. Good company brings you closer to Jannah. Remember death, not in a negative way, but as a reminder that your time is limited. Make dua constantly. Ask Allah, Ya Allah, remove this habit from my life and replace it with something better. Never forget, no matter how bad your habit is, Allah's mercy is greater. Allah forgives all sins, if you sincerely return to Him. So don't lose hope. My dear brothers and sisters, the strongest person is not the one who never sins, but the one who fights their sins and keeps returning to Allah. Start today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Leave one bad habit, for the sake of Allah, and watch how your life changes. If this reminder touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Islamic reminders.